Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating a minimal runnable app so you learn by doing. Install the NET SDK and open an editor. Create a console project with .NET New Console and My App. Once done, open Program, CS and the csproj to see entry point and dependencies. Make sure to run .NET Build, then .NET Run to verify output. You'll immediately see how C# files map to compiled assemblies, which helps you reason about namespaces, classes, and the main entry method. Now focus on patterns you'll use every day. Define classes, constructors, and properties, then write methods that return values. Use var where types are obvious. Learn async/await for I/O and uselink for data queries to simplify loops. Once comfortable, add simple inheritance and interfaces to model behavior. Make sure to handle exceptions with try/catch and to dispose resources via using. These constructs explain how C# organizes logic and finish by validating, packaging, and deploying your app. Write unit tests and run .NET tests to catch regressions before release. Once stable, publish a release build with .NET Publish C release and pick a runtime identifier if you need a self-contained binary. You can containerize with Docker for consistent environments, then deploy to your target host or cloud. If something goes wrong, check build output and run tests locally. Most issues are missing dependencies or mismatched SDK/runtime versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.